Hey Kimberbellas, Cristin Som here. I'm outside because I'm taking my dog's potty and then I'm going for a bike ride. I'm pretty excited. It's gorgeous out today. So I'm gonna try and get some time outside. So when I get back though, we're gonna start on Creep Along. It's bright. Creep Along is a very easy block compared to the house ones we've been doing, so this will be very nice. We're going to start with our fabric at 8.5 by 10.5. Make sure and fuse it with, or back it with fusible stabilizer of some sort, and get your batting. And then there's no applique pieces, just embroidery on this one, so make sure to use a good cutaway, preferably a mesh cutaway, for your backing, or double up on tearaway if you're using tearaway. Just because it's a lot of embroidery instead of applique. So our final cut size is 6.5 by 8.5. So we're going to use a quilting design that's 6 by 8. And I am going to use the witch swirly one. That's what I call it, but it's officially called Halloween 3, and I'll add a link in the tutorial. And that's it. That's all the information that we need today. This will be Boo-levard 6 for us, and I'm going to do it tonight, but I wanted to get the tutorial video started before I head out because it'll be dark when I get back probably. Have a great day, everyone.